What if I told you that everything that you know about monetizing on YouTube is wrong? That all of the videos that you see on the screen, you're going to see a bunch of these videos, but they're wrong. They're, for lack of a better term, they're liars. They're misleading you because making money and monetizing on YouTube is really, really simple. It's not easy, but it's really, really simple. And I'm going to explain it to you as quickly as possible. Okay? Monetizing on YouTube is not about generating views. It's not about followers. It's not about all of this stuff that these guys are telling you about. Okay. There's a bunch of videos where YouTube monetization is explained, and they talk about the watch hours and the YouTube partner program and the subscribers and all that stuff. None of that stuff actually matters. Monetizing on YouTube is a really simple formula. Here's the formula. This is everything that you need to know. You identify a problem, and then you create a solution. Create a solution. That's it. That's all you need to know when it comes to monetizing on YouTube. Identify a solution. You either create a solution or you find a solution, right? Find a solution. That's it. You don't need the YouTube partner program. You don't need the YouTube affiliate thing that they just came out with. And I'm going to give you some real examples so that you can start making money, okay? You don't need all of this other stuff that these guys are telling you about. You don't need to get monetized by YouTube to make money, to be monetized. What you need is you need to identify a problem. And the problems can be good or bad, okay? I'm going to give you a few examples. They can be good problems, they can be bad problems, but you need to create a solution or find one. That's all. That's it. I could end this video right now, and you would have all the tools that you need to be successful. So let me show you a few examples. What's a common problem out there? People want to lose weight. How to lose weight. That's a common problem. How to lose weight as a teenager. This is a problem that people go through. If you have knowledge, skills, and experience in teaching people how to lose weight, or if you've lost weight yourself, you know what it takes. So you make a video teaching people how to lose weight. So 3 steps to lose 10 pounds in 6 weeks. That's the problem. And I'm just going to move this up here. So problem. Lose weight. Lose weight. Solution. Now again, you either create the solution yourself, or you go out there and you find a solution that's already done. If you want to create the solution yourself, maybe you create a fitness routine for teenagers. That is creating a solution. Teenagers. If you want to, you can go out and find a solution that's already done. And with finding a solution, that's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. That's it. So what you can do is you can type in something like weight loss affiliate programs. Then you can go out and partner with any one of these affiliate programs. And you join the affiliate program, or you can go over to Amazon. So maybe you make a video teaching people how to do yoga at home to lose weight. Go over to Amazon and you recommend yoga balls or yoga mats. Say yoga ball. Recommend this yoga ball. And Amazon will pay you, they will pay you 3% commission for anyone that clicks on your affiliate link and buys. So what's 3% of $37.95? 3% of $37.95 is $37.95 is $1.13. But the good thing with Amazon is you'll get paid based on everything that's in the cart when they buy. You'll earn a commission based on everything that they click on. You can partner with multiple affiliate programs. Okay, let me give you another example. What's a very popular niche? Wedding. How to get married on a $3,000 budget. These people want to get married. Look at 430 views. She's only has 81 subscribers. So what you can do here, we'll go over to here. We'll slide this out of the way. The problem, now when I say problems, problems can be good or bad. Common problems, people getting married, people having kids. Problem. Getting married. Then you can create the solution. What if you put together a wedding planner or a wedding budget calculator? Okay. One cool thing that you can do is you can go over to Google and you can type in something like wedding PLR, private label rights. Now, go to wedding PLR. Let's click on this first one here. They've already done the work for you. So wedding bundle, PLR bundle, article pack. You can potentially buy one of these. It's already done for you. Download it, turn around and sell it on your YouTube channel. So then when you create videos, you can reference the wedding planner that you've created for them. A bride's guide to hiring a DJ. That's a problem. Wedding planning simplified. You could buy this for $4.99 and then turn around and sell it for $7 a pop. Or what you can do is you can go over to Fiverr and you can type in like wedding calculator. Oops, spelled calculator wrong, but it doesn't matter. You can have this person build a wedding calculator or wedding planner for $30. All you have to do is, and I want to make this abundantly clear, you don't need the YouTube partner program. So you don't need AdSense. You don't need brand deals or sponsorships. Okay? You don't need followers. Don't need subscribers. All you have to do is identify one problem. And it doesn't have to be 100 problems. You could make an entire YouTube channel teaching people how to get married on a $3,000 budget. Or you can make an entire YouTube channel on MLB The Show 26. It just came out. People are asking questions about how to play it. So, again, problem. Another problem here. MLB The Show 26. MLB The Show 26. Problem. People want to learn how to hit home runs. Oops, let's do this right away. Problem. Or people want to know how to level up their road to the show player. What if you created a guide? Solution. What if you created a guide to fast track their player becoming a 99? Guide to becoming a 99 overall in road to the show. That's it. And then you just keep making videos about this one problem. You don't need 20 problems because there are millions of people out there that have purchased or will purchase MLB Road to the Show. 1% of those people, maybe 10% of those people are going to go to YouTube for help. 1% of those people are going to buy a problem or buy a solution. What's really cool is when you're coming up with solutions, I'm going to write down the three big ones. Affiliate marketing, where you don't need your own products. You just partner with established brands. Digital products, where you create, spelling wrong here, where you create your own product and you sell it. The best part about creating a digital product is you make it once and you can sell it millions of times over. You get more of the money. You keep about 99% of the revenue. The only thing you got to pay for is your payment processor and if you're using a web page builder. But you make that one thing, you have control, you have ownership, and then you actually have a mailing list where you can send people, where you can sell them more things. You can also build an online community where you make reoccurring income. Right? So, for example, we can go over to a school. Go over to a school community and type in whatever it is that you're interested in. So we can go to Discover Community. I'm going to type in MLB. Next pitching app, $5 a month. I'm going to type in MLB Road to the Show. Let's see, MLB Road to the Show. Recruiting. There might be some things in there, but I know for sure if we type in like wedding, people are paying monthly, $19 a month, $59 a month to get married, $29 a month. And you can drive all of this traffic through your YouTube channel. And all you have to do is identify one problem, helping people get married on a budget, helping people level up their player and road to the show. Another popular problem is OpenClaw, right? I'm sure you've seen a bunch of videos about OpenClaw or Claude Code or whatever it's called. So problem. Understanding OpenClaw. So what's the solution? You can create skills for people to buy. You could do an online community with just about OpenClaw. So we type in OpenClaw like this. $37 a month, 368 members. You can see there's a bunch of free communities. $1 a month, $9 a month, $49 a month. Multiple communities. Vibe coding, $97 a month, 1,200 members. This guy probably has a YouTube channel. You don't need AdSense. You don't need brand deal sponsorships. You don't need subscribers. So you can create skills. You could have an online community where you're helping people, where you maybe do lives, or you build stuff for people. All you have to do, I don't know how long we've been in, 12 minutes. Problem, identify one problem. Create a solution, find a solution. Affiliate marketing, digital products, or an online community if you want reoccurring revenue. Stop listening to all of these guys out here that are telling you that you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Because in reality, if we go here, let's say how to monetize your YouTube channel. Let's say YouTube. Because if we look at these, his primary main monetization isn't the YouTube Partner Program. vidIQ's main monetization program isn't the YouTube Partner Program. It's actually with software as a service. Justin Brown with Primal Video, their main monetization, and I guarantee you they were monetized well before they joined the YouTube Partner Program.
Uploads enough.
What you should do is you should do what the gurus are doing and not what they're telling you to do, but B, jump down the rabbit hole. Because if we look at this, you can see 10x your YouTube traffic. If we click on this, this is going to something that potentially is paid. They're going to get you on their mailing list, and then they're going to get you into a paid resource. Best tools, these are all affiliate links. So affiliate marketing. Okay? But that's the game, okay? Every one of these guys has identified a problem. And what's the problem? Monetize YouTube. And they've created a solution. Join my community. If we open this guy up, and I'm not disparaging these people, I just want you to understand the way that real content creators, business owners, not just YouTubers, content creators, business owners are monetized. They're not monetized with the YouTube Partner Program. Their primary monetization is not the YouTube Partner Program. Again, if we jump down the rabbit hole, we can see he's probably got affiliate links in here or a mailing list of some sort. This is probably affiliate marketing. Yeah, this is probably affiliate marketing. If we look at this one, join today. He's selling something for $45 a month. Again, nothing against him. I do it too. I sell stuff from my YouTube channel, but I want you to understand that you need to stop waiting. Monetize today. Monetize after this video. Monetize fast. And the best way to do it is to identify one problem. One of the problems a lot of people have is they'll create content about five different problems. It confuses your audience. It confuses YouTube. And then every video, you got to figure out a new way to monetize. One problem, and I should emphasize that, one problem, create a solution, find a solution. If you can do that, you can be successful. Somebody in one of my comment sections said Korean skincare for men in their 40s. I think it was something to that effect. Korean skincare. So, for Korean skincare, either create a solution, maybe you create a guide to let them know what products they need, and then put affiliate links to those products. And then, or you go out and find the solution that's already created. Now, there are over 15,000 affiliate programs out there. So you should be able to find an affiliate program that meets your needs. But this is all you need, okay? Take a screenshot of this. Anytime you start drifting away and you think, man, I'm 200 followers away, or 200 subscribers away from being monetized, pull this up. One problem, create a solution, find a solution. Right? Maybe you are interested in sports. Maybe you're interested in the NBA. What could you do there? So problem. The problem is here where I live, we've got Bulls fans. What's the solution? We could go to school and say Chicago Bulls and see if anything pops up. Welcome to Chicago. We can go over to Patreon. Patreon's another place. Is it Patreon? I think it's Patreon. Spell it slightly off. And then you can find a creator. You could start typing in Bulls. Or Substack. Right? Chicago Bulls. Another thing that you can do is go over to Facebook and look at all the Facebook groups. If we type in Chicago Bulls, CHICA Chicago Bulls, go to groups. Look at all these people interested in Chicago Bulls. You take one of them and you create an unofficial guide, or you create like a virtual tour. Write a book, create a Patreon. But this is all you need. And I don't want to belabor the point anymore because I want to keep this to like 15 minutes if I can. But get rid of thinking about AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. Stop waiting for brand deals and sponsorships because they're not going to pay you what you're worth. And stop chasing subscribers. And stop making random content. Identify one problem. And when you identify that problem, think about the skills that you have. Think about the problems that you solve for yourself. Because chances are, if you solve the problems for yourself, you can solve them for other people. And there are tens of thousands, if not millions of other people with that exact same problem. Then you create a solution. And you can create the first solution in a weekend. Make sure the solution that you create is small, specific, and helps people get an instant, fast result. That's all you need, especially with your first digital product. Don't create an entire course. Create planners, workbooks, checklists, ebooks, templates. You can do workshops that are 90 minutes long. That's it. Create a solution, find a solution. And if you create a solution, you can put affiliate links inside of your solution. So now you've got 2 revenue streams. But if you've got questions, I'm sure you've got questions, comment down below. If you need additional help, check out my workbook. It's called Beyond AdSense. It'll walk you through creating your first solution. Okay? It's the first link in the description. There's a private community where you can ask questions. There's a workbook that you'll fill out. And you'll have, by the time you complete the workbook, you'll have your solution. Check it out. It really is as simple as that.